I have a doubt on it. You have to just play whatever you are going to say. Hello icons, I am Indrajit and you are watching Iconic Indro. Today we are going to learn very simple and realistic examples. What to say when you disagree in English. Sometimes we disagree others' statement or others' opinion. Then how to say or how to disagree without saying I disagree with you or I disagree you. So today we are going to learn 10 plus statements that denotes how you can disagree in English. So let's commence. So generally we use I disagree you. Or I disagree with you. That means with your statement. Okay, we generally say this when you are going to disagree. But in this video we are going to learn 10 plus sentences that can be used to replace I disagree or I disagree with you. Okay. So first sentence, I can't agree with you. Okay, I can't agree with you. That means I disagree you. This is the first sentence you can say instead of saying I disagree you. Secondly, you can say just add sorry. I can't agree with you. Okay, you have to add only sorry before this statement. Sorry, I can't agree with you. That means I disagree you. Okay, sorry, I can't agree with you. That means I disagree you. Or you can say I strongly disagree you. When you are damn sure to disagree someone, then you can use this I strongly disagree you or I strongly disagree with you. I strongly you or with you. Fourth sentence you can say that's not always true. That means that is not always true. Okay, that's not always true. That means you disagree someone or someone's statement or someone's opinion. Okay, so that's not always true. You can say. Number 5, you can say the previous one that's not always true. Just omit always. So you can say that's not true. Just omit always. Okay, you can say like this, that's not true. That means you are going to disagree with someone. Next sentence you can say I totally disagree you. Just instead of saying I disagree you, just you can say I totally disagree you. Just add totally. Okay, so let me write I totally disagree you or disagree. Okay, I totally disagree. Seventh one you can use I am not sure of it. I am not sure of it. Okay, that means you disagree. Eighth way, you can say I am unsure of it. Of it sounds better. Okay, so I am unsure of it. Unsure means not sure. So you can simply say I am unsure of it. That means you disagree something. Number 9, I have a doubt on it. I have a doubt on it. That means you are not going to agree with someone. Then you can say I have a doubt on it. I have a doubt on it. 10th way, you can say I have to decline it. Decline means refuse or reject. Okay, so I have to refuse it. That means you are going to disagree someone. Or I have to decline it. 11th, you can add just respectfully. You have to just play whatever you are going to say. See, I respectfully decline it or refuse it or reject it. Okay, got it my point? Decline it or refuse it or reject it. I respectfully decline it. It is a tricky one but interesting. I respectfully decline it. I respectfully decline her. Okay, I hope that this video has helped you what to say when you disagree in English. I have showed you 10 plus ways to say I disagree you or I disagree with you. Okay, so you can use this kind of sentences instead of saying I disagree you or I disagree with you. Okay, so I hope that this video helps you a lot, and I hope you have learned new things, new words, new sentences. So for this, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic Indro. See you soon in another helpful video. Till then, enjoy English learning.